Welcome back to the LCC Model Editor software tutorial. In this video, we will introduce different selectors. In edit mode, the selectors on the left toolbar become active. Currently supported selectors include Sphere Selector, Box Selection, Rectangle Selector, and Mixed Lasso Selector. Click on a selector. If your data volume is too large, the software now supports two editing modes, Global Mode and Local Mode. In Global Mode, you can edit with the entire scene loaded, though clarity may be reduced. This is suitable for situations where you need to make adjustments across the scene. In Local Mode, click on the model to define a partition. Press Enter to confirm the partition, or press Escape to cancel. In Local Mode, the selected partition is displayed at the finest detail, while other partitions are hidden. This is suitable for situations requiring detailed editing. Sphere Selector. Hold the left mouse button to draw the selection area. You can adjust the sphere radius using Control plus mouse scroll wheel. While a selector is active, you can hold Alt plus left mouse button to rotate the view. In addition to single selection, the software also supports Add Selection, Remove Selection, and Inverse Selection. Box Selector. Click or drag the left mouse button to create a box. After drawing, you can adjust it using the model transformation tools. Once confirmed, press Enter to finalize the selection range. Rectangle Selector. Click or drag the left mouse button to draw a selection. The Rectangle Selector supports a depth wall to assist selection. Data behind the depth wall cannot be selected. Click Reset to enable the depth wall, and use Control plus mouse scroll wheel to quickly adjust the depth wall position.